Find all the horizontal asymptotes of the graph of f of x. The horizontal asymptotes has to do with the infinite limits, right? If limit as x approaches infinity, f of x is equal to L, and limit as x approaches negative infinity of f of x, if this is equal to m, then the horizontal asymptotes of the function f of x are L and m, right? So this question is asking us to find the limit as x approaches infinity f of x and limit as x approaches negative infinity f of x. Does that make sense? So let's evaluate the infinite limit. First one, limit as x approaches infinity f of x. We have 1 minus 3 to the x, 2 plus 3 to the x plus 1. That is equal to limit as x approaches infinity, 1 minus 3 to the x over 2 plus, here 3 to the x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the x times 3 to the power of 1, right? So 3 times 3 to the x. So this is 3 times 3 to the x, right? Now what we have to do is we have to factor the highest degree of the terms in the denominator, right? So this is equal to limit as x approaches infinity. We have to factor out 3 to the x, right? Then we have 2 over 3 to the x plus 3. And here, if we factor out 3 to the x, 1 over 3 to the x minus 1, right? So 3 to the x cancels out, right? And 1 over 3 to the x, if we substitute infinity for x, that's 1 over infinity, right? That approaches 0. This term approaches 0. So this is equal to 0 minus 1 over 0 plus 3, which is equal to negative 1 over 3, right? So one of our horizontal asymptotes is negative 1 over 3. Now let's find another one. Limit as x approaches negative infinity this time. So we have 1 minus 3 to the x over 2 plus 3 to the x plus 1. That's f of x. For this limit, we can just substitute negative infinity for x, right? Because 3 to the negative infinity is equal to 1 over 3 to the infinity. That's 1 over infinity, which is equal to 0, right? Same here, right? 3 to the negative infinity plus 1. That's 3 to the negative infinity. That is equal to 0, right? So this limit is equal to 1 minus 0 over 2 plus 0, which is equal to 1/2, right? So function f of x has 2 horizontal asymptotes. One is negative 1 over 3, and the other one is 1/2, right?